Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sanford Khan, economic consultant and business author. The title of this exciting presentation is entitled, Do Corporations Pay Taxes? Well, you'd think if they have an accounting profit, they write a check out to Uncle Sam, state governments, whatever governments, and pay their so-called fair share of taxes. But in reality, corporations, let's get this straight. Do corporations pay taxes? The answer is no. A big no, with an exclamation mark, as you can see. They do not pay taxes. People pay taxes. You pay taxes. I pay taxes. Individuals pay taxes. Corporations, whatever taxes they do pay, is passed on. It's passed on to one or more of three entities. This is who pays the price of their corporate taxes. The corporation is just a shell. That's all it is. So if you impose cost on them, tax is a cost, they're going to pass it on. So who do they pass it on to? There's three entities they could pass it on to, a combination probably of all three. First are their employees with reduced wages and salaries. They can have increases, but the increases will be small. So it's reduced wages and salaries. The second is increases in the prices of goods and services. The third is the stockholders with less retained earnings and less dividend payout. If I was to take an educated guess, I would say it's the middle one, where they pass most of it, not all, on to increase prices of their goods and services. They'll always do their best to protect their stockholders, and their employees will get less increases in wages and benefits. Corporations don't pay taxes. The corporate income tax is a ridiculous tax. If you're wondering what's the best rate for corporate income tax, the best rate, it's a big 0% corporate income tax. When it's compared to the personal income taxes that Uncle Sam collects, it's about, the last numbers I saw, 10 to 15% in that area. The majority of income taxes that Uncle Sam gets is in the personal income tax. Why not get rid of the corporate income tax? What do you think will happen if you do that? There'll be consequences. Yes, you will not get any money from corporations, that's true. But the dividends they pay to stockholders will increase. That means increased revenue taxes to the federal government, because people pay taxes on their dividends. That's one way. The employees will get larger, not huge, but larger increases in their salaries. Well, that's a little bit more money to the federal government. Lastly, what do you think is going to happen to new corporations if you have a corporate income tax of 0 in the United States or in any country? They'll blossom. They'll go astronomical through the roof. Companies will start issuing more stock certificates. They'll incorporate more stock certificates. Goes to show you where I am. They'll do this electronically. At one time, they did it with an actual physical stock certificate. I used to have these. They were actually works of art. I enjoyed them. Anyways, they'll issue more of these. So now they'll sell them to the public. So now you have more corporations selling more equity. They raise money. Guess what they do with this money? They pay wages and salaries. Guess what happens with the wages and salaries? They're taxed on them at ordinary income tax rates. The federal government gets probably $5 of extra income, $5 to $6 of extra income for every $1 of supposedly corporate income tax. So if you want to get the economy moving, why not just get rid of the corporate income tax? And you'll see new incorporations, not the old, but new incorporations, new businesses flourishing, incorporating. And that's what you want. You want new entrants into the labor market. Anyways, if you feel this video has merit, appreciate if you can pass it on to others and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, a secure future for all of us lies in economic growth. Take care now, and may you prosper.